Hey everyone, welcome back to MZ Car Club. Today we're diving into something truly breathtaking and futuristic, the 2027 Ferrari Pinion. While Ferrari hasn't officially confirmed a model called the Pinion, this concept imagines what the next evolution of Italian performance could look like if the engineers at Ferrari decided to push beyond the limits once again. Let's start with the exterior design. The 2027 Ferrari Pinion carries an ultra-aggressive yet elegant body shape that instantly screams speed even when standing still. The front fascia features razor-sharp LED matrix headlights, a sculpted carbon fiber splitter, and massive air intakes designed to maximize airflow and cooling. The body lines are smoother and more aerodynamic than ever, inspired by hypercars like the Ferrari SF90 Stradale and the legendary LaFerrari. The rear end showcases a full-width LED light bar, an active rear wing, and a dramatic quad exhaust setup integrated into a futuristic diffuser. Every angle of this machine looks like it belongs on a racetrack in Maranello. Moving inside, the interior design of the 2027 Ferrari Pinion blends racing DNA with next-level luxury. The cabin is driver-focused, with a fully digital curved display wrapping around the cockpit. Premium Alcantara, carbon fiber, and hand-stitched Italian leather dominate the interior surfaces. The steering wheel features integrated touch controls inspired by Formula One technology, while the seats are lightweight racing buckets with adaptive comfort technology for long drives. Ambient lighting, AI-assisted driving modes, and a customizable digital cluster create an experience that feels both futuristic and classic Ferrari at the same time. Now let's talk performance, because that's where Ferrari truly shines. The 2027 Pinion is imagined to be powered by a twin-turbocharged V8 paired with a hybrid electric motor system, possibly producing over 950 horsepower. This setup could allow the Pinion to launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.3 seconds, with a top speed exceeding 220 miles per hour. Advanced torque vectoring, all-wheel drive, and next-generation magnetic suspension would make it incredibly sharp through corners while still offering daily drivability. Ferrari's racing heritage would ensure that every bit of power is delivered smoothly and explosively at the same time. When it comes to safety, the 2027 Ferrari Pinion would likely include cutting-edge driver assistance systems. Expect adaptive cruise control, collision avoidance braking, blind spot monitoring, lane assist, and a 360-degree camera system, all seamlessly integrated without compromising the pure driving experience. The chassis would use ultra-strong carbon fiber and aluminum architecture to maintain structural rigidity while keeping weight extremely low. Now let's discuss pricing. If the Ferrari Pinion were to become reality, we could expect a starting price around $750,000 to $1 million, depending on customization options. Limited production numbers would make it highly exclusive, potentially turning it into a collector's dream almost instantly. Ferrari buyers know they're not just purchasing a car, they're investing in heritage, performance, and timeless design. Overall, the 2027 Ferrari Pinion represents what the future of Ferrari supercars could look like. Extreme performance blended with electrified innovation, stunning Italian craftsmanship, and race-inspired engineering. It's bold, it's powerful, and it's everything we imagine when we think about the future of Ferrari. Let me know in the comments, would you choose the 2027 Ferrari Pinion over today's hypercars? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more incredible automotive content right here on MZ Car Club.